In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install the dual hose conversion kit to your portable GE room air conditioner. To complete this task, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. If you need to trim the window extensions, we also recommend a small handsaw. Before beginning, refer to your installation instructions. Then take inventory of your kit to ensure you have all the necessary parts: 2 conversion baffles, a window adapter, an intake hose, an AC adapter, an insulating sleeve, and a window panel. Now you're ready to install your dual hose conversion kit. Be sure to unplug or disconnect power to avoid the risk of electrical shock. Detach your single hose portable AC by removing the exhaust hose adapter from the window kit. Then remove the hose from the back of the AC by turning the exhaust hose adapter clockwise. Collapse the hose, and then slide the fabric insulation over it. Reattach the hose to the back of the AC unit by turning counterclockwise. Remove the single hose window panel. Then install the dual hose window panel. Using a screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the filter panel. Then remove the filter panel. Next, install the dual hose conversion baffle to the back of the AC unit using the screws from the filter panel. The baffle you use will depend on your model. Refer to your installation instructions to determine which baffle is right for your unit. Extend the intake hose approximately 4 inches from each end. Then attach the adapters to the ends of the hose, turning clockwise until they're secure. Insert the round adapter into the intake vent on the baffle you assembled onto the AC and turn counterclockwise to secure it. And finally, install the intake and exhaust hose adapters to the dual hose window panel. Enjoy a better, faster cooling experience by converting your portable AC to a dual hose unit, delivering balanced and comfortable air circulation for you and your family for years to come. Get your dual hose conversion kit today in-store or online at select retailers. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.